Okay, guys, in this video, we're going to talk about lotteries and how they relate to probability. Okay, so the basic idea is that most lotteries have the same or similar structures. And for example, one of the PA state lotteries is called Treasure Hunt. Now, in each game, which costs $1, a player chooses 5 numbers from the set of numbers from 1 through 30. Right? Then the state will generate 5 numbers and a player wins if they match at least 2 of the numbers. And of course, the more numbers you match, the better the prize is. Now, the order doesn't matter for a lottery, only the sets of numbers themselves concern matches, right? So if the state comes up with 2, 5, 7, 9, and I don't know, 27, and you chose 27, 5, 2, 9, 7, these would be the same. Okay, so the order doesn't matter. So how many possible 5-number sets are there? Well, again, since the order doesn't matter, the number of possible 5-number sets would be 30 choose 5. Right? So what you would have here is a 30 factorial over 5 factorial, 25 factorial. All right, and let's just calculate this really quick, just so we have a number here. So let's see. I should have this on my calculator. So let's say I want to do 30 choose 5, and that will give us that we have 142,506 possible number sets. Okay. Now, of course, the probability of matching all 5 there's only one way to choose a set of 5 numbers that's the same. So this is 1 over 142,506. Right? So if we divide this, we're going to get an extremely small number. And we see that the probability is about 0.000007017. Right? So not good odds to match all 5, right? Now, what if we wanted the probability of matching exactly 4 or 2 numbers? Well, the probability of matching 4 numbers would be something like this. I would need to choose 4 out of the 5 numbers that we could have. And then of the remaining 25 numbers, choose one other number, right? So this is match 4 of 5. And this is choose one non-winner, one non-match. And of course, this would be over our 30 choose 5 again. Right, so in this case, you would have now 5 choose 4 would be 5, and 25 choose 1 would be 25. And then over 30 choose 5, which we just said was 142,506. Okay, so if we divide this, I mean, our odds should be a little bit better. It looks like our odds are now 0.0008772 roughly, right? So a little bit, actually I should say you had 5 zeros and 3 zeros here. So going from matching 5 numbers to 4 numbers, your odds improve pretty dramatically. Now, of course, part B is similar. We want to match 2 numbers this time. So this is 5 choose 2. And then, of course, from the remaining 25, I would need to choose 3. Okay, and then the idea over 30 choose 5. So it looks like here, if I do 5 choose 2, let's go ahead and let's see what these would be. So 5 choose 2 would give me a 10. And then a 25 choose 3 would give me a 2300. and then over a 142,506, looks like that's going to give us now a probability of 0.1614 roughly, right? So your probability of matching exactly two numbers is much better, right? And of course, the idea is that the better your prizes, the more numbers you match, the better the prizes. But that concludes this video on lotteries. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.